Hello everyone, this is Paul from Hi-Fi Man. Today I'm talking about this box, the CDC optical box for the car without AUX. 2 months ago, I was made a video talking about this optical box for BMW 7 Series E65. But the problem is, this box it need to broken the original cable here and connect the cables. Such modification is trouble for some people. So we upgrade the box. For the new box, it don't need to modify the cables like this. Just plug and play. That's better. Now I will talking the details for connections. Okay, now let's go. This is the new optical box here, like this. This connector, the optical connector, a label named 2OEM CDC plug, like this. Like this. It have a label like this. Connect to OEM CDC 2 pins fiber optical cable. This one. The new model contains this cable here. Now I will show you how to connect the cables in details. Here, this is the power cable for Android screen. It designed a new connector like this. The most box. Here, the most box connector. This connector is audio out. Here, offer the audio for Android screen. Now, the first thing, you need to connect this cable. Here. Connect together. And this connector have a label most box connect to this one. This box will have the power come from this, go to this, and it will have the power. This is different to older models. The older models you need to modify the original cables. So this is plug and play. Now continue. These cables connect to audio out here. And this side connect to audio out in power cable. That way the audio will go through AUX connection like this. Now the point is how to connect these two connectors. I will show you by a video. This is the CDC. This is the connector for CDC. Remove it. You can see in the connector there's two optical cable. You need to remove these two optical cable from the connection. And then connect the original optical cable to this connector. There is a bracket. Take it out and connect the original optical cable. And then connect to the connector. Okay. Now connect the optical cable in the harness we offer and connect to the original connector. Notice the direction of the optical cable and then connect to the original CDC. Then that is okay now. If you want to buy this adapter, you can go to our website here and click the accessory. And here, this box, click it. Here, you can add to the car and check out. But please notice, this adapter we just sell together with the Android screen from our company only. Here. And if you want to learn how to remove the original CDC and connection, you can watch this video, this one. it shows the details for the original CDC removal, but the connections, you should follow this video.